Lasagna. I love lasagna. Soup. The soup is hot. French fries. French fries are salty. Salad. I eat salad for lunch. Sushi. Do you like sushi? Fried rice. Fried rice is tasty. Omelette. I make an omelette. Burrito. This is a big burrito. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is good. Pasta. I want some pasta. Falafel. Falafel is vegetarian. Pizza. Let's eat pizza. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are soft. Taco. I like tacos. Grilled fish. Grilled fish is healthy. Sandwich. I have a sandwich. Ramen. Ramen is from Japan. Fruit salad. Fruit salad is sweet. Meatballs. Meatballs are round. White rice. I eat white rice. Hot dog. The hot dog is long. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is healthy. Wrap. I eat a wrap. Fried chicken. Fried chicken is crunchy. Spaghetti. Spaghetti is long. Garlic bread. Garlic bread is delicious. Chowder. Chowder is thick. Chicken wings. I love chicken wings. Couscous. Couscous is small. Potato salad. Potato salad is cold. Dumplings. Dumplings are tasty. Steak. I cook steak. Green salad. Green salad is fresh. Pancake. Pancakes are flat. Shawarma. Shawarma is popular. Noodles. Noodles are long. Roasted potatoes. Roasted potatoes are brown. Hummus. I like hummus. Fish. The fish is tasty. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are yellow. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is cheesy. Kebab. Kebab is grilled. Grilled chicken. Grilled chicken is lean. Spring rolls. Spring rolls are crispy. Tomato soup. Tomato soup is red. Sausage. I eat sausage. Brown rice. Brown rice is dark. Pasta salad. Pasta salad is Italian. Shrimp. Shrimp is pink. Waffle. Waffle has squares.
Thank you for watching.